Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant. Windows cannot access the specified device. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and close the right client right here at the bottom right of your screen. Click on Exit. Now go ahead and find your File Explorer. Now go to this PC, Local Disk C, Riot Games, Valorant, Live. Now we have Valorant EXE. Right click and click on Properties. Compatibility right here. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Hit on Apply, hit on OK. Close this one. Now go ahead and find your search bar and type down CMD. Now right click on Command Prompt and just go ahead and click on Run as an administrator. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on Yes and type down SC delete VGK. Hit on Enter. SC delete VGC. Hit on Enter. Now go ahead and close this one. Now open up your Riot client. Okay. If you have the shortcut right here, I would highly recommend you to run the game via the launcher. Okay, not from the shortcut. So in this section, go ahead and go to Valorant. It will require you to update your game. So it will just reinstall Vanguard and every update. Just basically wait for it. And once that's done, it will ask you to restart your computer. So just go ahead and restart your computer. Again, just restart your computer, run Valorant from the Riot client, not from the shortcut, and you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Valorant. Windows cannot access the specified device. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.